MLA ga mairang ubadairu lampang ka yeng darbar thawan ga jala Meghalaya uba met ba lengdo ulapan pawai jingsong khia halo ka tulap paper chonggi kunhun ki nonghikai school ki badan ha ga jala yagani uba met ba ulapan pawa ga jingelang banongkong ban rakhe ga sngi ba kyrpang jongini kai hapo ka Eastern West Khasils district yaga bala penlong da ka office sub divisional education officer Eastern West Khasils district haba jingkran nak te sngi uba met ba ulaban halo ga jinge gi nonghikai bat ong ba wat la dau so tho ba ka de ge jinge ka ba khra bon weng no sundan henry ka sarkar ga de ban shimik sincham ko byang na ga mata ban weng ye ga ni jinge ka ba ki nonghikai gi ju kundu na ka por shakapor.
We want to wish you a very happy Teacher's Day. You help us to know, you help us to grow. We respect you always, not only on this day. You are amazing, loving and caring. You make us strong and bright. You are a gift from God. You are our best friend. You teach and guide us every day.
I'm little upset or disappointed to note that teachers have to leave their classrooms. Teachers have to leave their schools. And teachers have to stage a protest. Teachers have to burst out about the grievances that they have. Why? Why was this? Why do teachers have to do all this? As I have shared with other friends in different platforms, I've spoken with the Chief Minister, I've spoken with the Education Minister, to address these issues of the teachers, of our dearest teachers. Yes, I know it is very difficult. It is very difficult. I would like to mention here again that I don't understand till today why we have different types of teachers. We have SSA teachers. We have, though it is certainly funding, schemes that we have. That's why we have SSA teachers. But other than SSA teachers, which are funded by the central government, we have deficit, we have semi-deficit, we have government, we have semi-government, and we have granted aid, we have improvement granted aid, and we have different types of teachers in our states, and different slabs of salaries for the teachers, teaching the same syllabus, the same classrooms. I don't know what exactly is a real problem, but for me, let me share with all of you, my dearest teachers, it is really a concern for me. As far as my understanding, I know that it is very difficult to address this issue. It's not a one-day affair. It's not a one-week affair, or it's not a one-month affair. It's not a one-year affair. But we have to start to solve this problem once and for all. We have to start. The government has to initiate finding solutions to all these problems and grievances. If all the teachers have to leave the classrooms and be on the street, who will take care of the students? Who will take care of the students? Who will take care of our children who are in the classrooms? What will be their future? What will be their career? It is a matter of concern. It is really a matter of concern for all of us. I'm sure that the government must have initiated immediately to work out the modalities, how exactly they can address these issues of the grievances by the teachers.